Phase. This is the fourth tutorial, the latest versions of Skyface web apps. In this web apps applications, to control your project is already integrated to AI to make a summary of your project. If you click on the project icon, it directly to your project. If we back to home, we will get two buttons: open item list, which will show you which one you declare an open item to your member or your PICs. And then the second button is the summarize of your project. It will lead you to a chart that will make a summarize by an AI. It depends how big your data is. It will generate your summarize for your project. It will show you the overall progress, and the summarize will change based on your data sheet. Or we can ask specifically, for example, you can ask to AI Assistants on the chat booth. It will show you the item of the project. If you're interested with these web apps, you can contact me and try it for free demo. Thank you very much.